Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor, currently working in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, 5556 Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Subject Accommodation Operations 1, Subject Code C303, Chapter number 2, Laundry Operations. This is my third session on this chapter. The objective is to know the types of equipments and its uses. So we are going to see different kinds of equipments which are used in laundry department and its uses. Uh, this is the content 2.3 types of equipments and uses in the laundry department. The first machine, which is called washing machine, which are used in laundry department. Second is washer cum centrifuge and extractor. Third is hydro extractors, and the fourth one is dryers. These are the major equipments which are used in laundry department frequently. Whenever you'll go and see any kind of laundry, you can see these four equipments are mainly used. Washing machine is the first machine which plays extremely important role in laundry department. The weight is carried from 7 kg to 200 kg depending on the type of machine which you are going to use in the laundry and the type of brand. It says that heavier machine is generally durable. If the machine is too heavy, so it can easily able to manage the weight of the linen, as well as it would be convenient for the employees to handle the machine carefully and properly. If the machine is heavier, it can easily manage its weight on the floor, and there won't be any problem when the function will start. You can see in the picture there are so many washing machines has been shown. Second is washer cum centrifuge and extractors. It also carries from 7 kg to 300 kg weight of the linen, and this machine is operated on steam or electricity. And third is to remove most of the excess water. The machine is working mainly to remove the excess water from the cloth. Once the washing process is done, then whatever the moisture or the water is left in the cloth would be easily removed with the help of water cum centrifuge and extractors. Now the last is hydro extractors. This also carries the weight from 7 to 70 kg, and which is electrically operated. And this machine helps to remove 50 to 75% excess water from the cloth. Like I have mentioned, there are so many variety of cloth which are being washed in the washing machine, and there are some moisture and the water content which are still present in the water, so which would be removed with the help of hydro extractors easily, and it helps to remove the 50 to 75% excess water, so you get completely dry cloth, and which can be easily used for ironing. Then last is dryers. Dryer is one of the equipment which helps to remove the moisture from the damp cloth, and your cloth will become more damp, dry, and you can easily send it for the ironing or folding. They are generally used for non-iron articles and towels. You can see most of the dryers are used for bath towels, hand towels, bath mat, foot mat, which doesn't require any kind of ironing. So such articles are mainly put into the dryer. Uh, the heated air may be produced by electricity, gas, or steam. If you want to dry these cloths inside the dryer, so this machine is completely dependent on heated air and which is produced by the electricity, gas or steam. So if the number of dryers are more, so it consumes a lot of electricity, gas or steam. You can see in the picture there are so many dryers. Now we are moving towards the pressing equipment, which are also equally important, like washing machines, then centrifuge, dryers and hydro extractors. Now we'll see the first machine, which is called flat bed presses. This machine would be heated by electricity or steam, like you can see other equipments. And foot control helps in operating the press. So this machine would be handled with the help of foot, and you can easily control the machine. And this machine is heated by electricity or steam, so you can keep any kind of cloth which required pressing. Maybe it will be a trouser or a shirt or any cloth, whatever, so which helps to give a nice and crispy press to your cloth, and the finished product would be very good. Then flat work ironer. You can see in the picture these flat work ironers are mainly used for serviettes, then tablecloths, which required proper ironing. So all the tablecloth serviettes can be easily ironed with the help of flat work ironers, which help to save your time, and you can get your work would be done within a short period of time, and one person can easily manage this machine. Now we are moving towards calendaring machine. It is one of the big machine which are basically used for ironing of all the bed sheets, crinkle sheets and the long sheets, which easily gets ironed with the help of calendaring machine. Calendaring machine has two type of roller. One is single roller machine and one is double roller machine. So even some machines are also help to get the folded linen inside the machine. So the moment you insert any kind of bed sheets or wrinkled sheets, so at the last end you can get all the folded material at the end. Now steam press is nothing but what press which is used for trousers, shirts, which provides steam from both the sides. You can see in the picture the flap can be used with the help of hand. You can hold the upper flap and you can put the cloth, and with the help of foot you can handle the machine, and then you can press the flap. And this is how from both the sides, from upper side and from the lower side, the steam would be passed on, and which will help to remove all the creases of your shirts, and you will get a nice and crispy shirt. And it saves your time, and it helps to make the finish properly of your cloth. Then collar and cuff press. This machine is specially designed for only collars and cuff press. So whichever shirts you're using which has creases, or if you want to remove all the creases and make it more crisp and nice and smoother, so you can go and use collar and cuff machines. So it is also operated through buttons and pedals, and again it has one flap which you have to press the moment you keep all the any shirts or any color of cuffs. Then sleeve press. Sleeve press is also used only for the sleeves of the shirt. It is specifically designed for the sleeves, so it helps to make your work faster, and all the shirts sleeves can be easily pressed with the help of this machine. And this machine is handled through manually, and with the help of hand you can easily handle it. Foot is not required. Then steam cabinets. If you want to keep two shirts or three shirts or four shirts, so you can easily keep in the steam cabinets, and you can close the button door, and you can switch on the buttons where all the programs has been fixed, and it has been designed in such a way that you can just press the button and the steam will be circulated inside the cabinet, and which will help to remove all the creases, and your shirt would be ironed easily with the help of steam, and it will make your shirts or a trouser very crisp and very clean and very uh, neat. Then steam air garments, then finisher oblique Suzy's oblique Janis. This is a particular machine. You can see it's a skeleton where you have to cover with the help of blazers or a coat, and you have to fix it properly, and then you can switch on the buttons, and with the help of pedal or handle you can start the Suzy's or Janis, which helps to generate the steam inside the skeleton, and which will go to your sleeves and shirts everywhere, and it will help to remove all the creases and lines of your shirt, and it will make a nice and properly ironed garment at the end. So this machine is completely operated on steam, which is also called steam air garment finisher, or you can call it as a Suzy's or Janis. Then hand iron oblique flat iron, it is one of the iron where you can use once your pressing has been done, or any one of the shorts or trouser required additional ironing, so you can use this iron, and which is handled by manually with your hand. Then ironing board, nothing but a board which is used basically for the ironing, and this board has been provided in all the guest rooms of the hotel. So whenever guest would like to do their own ironing, they can do it, or maybe they can call call any assistance if required. So this board is basically used for ironing the cloth inside the guest rooms. Then folding machine is a machine which is basically used to fold all kinds of linens. You can put all the linens inside the machine, and which easily get folded. This is called folding machine. Then spotting unit. Spotting unit is a unit which is basically kept separately in the laundry sections, where all the linen which are having any stains, stubborn stain, or any kind of stains, which can be easily removed with the help of spotting unit. You can use a multi remover chemicals which are placed here, and this machine is specifically designed to remove all the stubborn stain, or any vegetable stains, or synthetic stains, or mineral stains, or any kind of stains. So once all the spotting has been done, then only you can send it for the washing purpose. So before sending any linen to for the washing or drying, ensure that all the spots and stain should be removed first. The dry cleaning machine is nothing but to keep all the cloth which are required dry cleaning. So this machine is easily available in the laundry section, so whoever the guests are willing to send their clothes for dry cleaning purpose, so that this machine can be easily utilized. Then hot head offset oblique dry cleaning press. It is also one of the kind of flat press equipments which are handled with the help of foot. So you can put the flat once you put the cloth on the surface area, and from both the side steam would be passed on, and which will help to make the proper pressing of your cloth. Then carts and trolleys and sacks. So carts and trolleys and sacks are utilized to carry all the linens from your uh, collection of cloths or sorting of cloths to your laundry department, to near the laundry or near the dryer area or near the washing area, wherever it is possible. So these carts are basically used to carry the linen from one end to another end. And now finally we're moving towards the quiz. There's a quiz on types of equipments and its uses in the laundry department. The link has been given in the comments box in my YouTube channel. You can go and appear for the quiz, and you can see your score. at the same time. These are the references which are used for the PPT, and these are the website which are used for different pictures. And finally, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you so much.